In general, an airplane in flight has four forces acting on it, which is lift, weight, thrust, and drag. So first, what is lift? Simply to say, lift is a force to sustain the airplane in the air. Without lift, the airplane can only stay on the ground. And generally, the winds can generate the lift. According to Bernoulli's principle, it says that as the speed of the fluid increases, pressure decreases. As you can see in the photo, the air goes through on the top of the airfoil will go faster than the bottom of the airfoil of the air. That will generate differential of the pressure. So we will have low pressure on the top and higher pressure on the bottom. A higher pressure would push the air toward lower pressure. That's lift. Then let's talk about weight. Because gravity is the pulling force that tends to draw all bodies to the center of the earth. So that means everything you put into the airplane and the airplane itself is the total weight of the airplane. Then thrust. Thrust is generated by the power plant, or we so-call the engine. According to Newton's third law, it states that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So the engine will generate the backward force, and the opposite force to it is the thrust. Now drag is the force that resists movement and will slow down the aircraft of the air. There are two types of drag: parasite drag and induced drag. The parasite drag has no function to aid flight because of its form, the shape, interference, and the skin friction of the airplane. An induced drag is a drag force arising from the generation of lift by the wings or the lifting body during flight, which means the lighter and the least lift the airplane, the lower induced drag will be. So far, we discussed the four forces of flight. If the lift greater than weight and the thrust greater than drag, then the airplane will take off. If you want to land the aircraft, you just need to reduce your lift and thrust. Thank you for your time to watch this video. Have a good day.